Welcome to episode 4 of Project GrrMaro. Obviously, we're here with Brett at Insane Power, and I'm super excited because we have sent out our heads to K-Tech, as you guys know. Made them look nice and pretty, thanks to Brett and all of his hard work. And today, we are moving forward with our engine build. And with that, we've welcomed a new partner, which is FAST, and that's Fuel Air Spark Technology. So you guys go check them out. Got a couple boxes from them here today, so let's get into it.
Okay, before we open this, we're gonna say, we're gonna tell you guys what we're starting to build. So for this build, we've decided to build a 427 LS3. So to do with all the racing that we want to do, this big cubic inch naturally aspirated motor will get Michele hopefully in front. So we're gonna need some very expensive parts and hopefully get a little help on the way from K-Tech, FAST, and some other companies, so stay tuned. Let's see what they sent us today.
Yep, so today we've got, I don't know what's what here, so we're just gonna go for it. Really excited about the plans with the 427. Brett's kind of the brains behind that. As I open this, I'll kind of talk about that. We went back and forth on kind of what we wanted to do, what made sense. It is a street car, as I mentioned in episode 1, so not a full-blown race car, but that doesn't mean that I can't go super fast, right?
Kind of an ego thing. We're good with it.
So, I would have been happy with just a rebuild, but we got Brett involved in, so that ain't gonna happen.
I don't like leaving anything stuck.
All right, blank black box, right on. Looks good. Is this the bottom? I don't want to put it upside down. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. There we go. Shout out to Fast. Boom. All right. I open boxes, not build motors. Yeah. So,
we've used a ton of FAST stuff before at Insane Power. Works excellent. Great product.
Surprise!
Ooh, nice pieces.
This is our LSXR intake manifold. Let me take it out. Very lightweight. Let me get rid of this so we can check out what we got.
This is FAST. This is LSXR 102mm intake manifold.
It's a 3-piece unit, so what that means is you're actually able to take it apart and change the runners inside of it. You want to tell them why you would do that?
Okay, we can fine-tune this intake manifold to the build. So the runners inside, changing the length and some of the contours inside can kind of fine-tune it to the camshaft and the power range we want to work at. So the first thing we did is talk to FAST, and they also supplied us with
another box. Oh, what could it be? So this is much lighter, and it's stronger, and it offers, like we said, the ability to change out the runners and fine-tune it. So you can use that with a stock throttle body, or you can upgrade to 102mm or the 90 or 92. So pretty versatile unit, and definitely helpful when you want to make more power. All right. Got some awesome goodies here. Looks like some fender protectors when we're ready to put it back in. Some stickers. Maybe we'll give some stickers away, you guys. If you want a sticker, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the build so far, and maybe I'll send you a sticker. All right.
Maybe we won't.
Or maybe you won't get a sticker. You never know. All right, so my razor blade.
While Michele opens her goodies, I'm going to take this apart and show you.
Yes, I do the fun stuff.
Why don't we get to work?
Because you're really good at it. I could probably do that though. And then also, I want to mention, if you guys can hear me any better, which I'm sure you can, our friend Andre sent us an amazing setup for audio. So you no longer have to hear background noises at the shop as bad. So thank you, Andre. We really appreciate it, and we're excited to put these to use. Oh yeah, look at that. All right.
So once we take the cover off, we can see the runners. This one being for, obviously this would be the front of the intake manifold. So this is for number 1 driver's side, and all the way over here. So the runner length determines on the RPM range and the torque numbers that we're going to be seeing with the motor. So we're going to modify these to these nice little shorty stubby ones.
These guys are the shortest and straightest runners that are made for this manifold, and that's going to allow us to make the most power, or you can use them for accessories.
You can hear the ocean waves with it. So, as you can see, this intake manifold is all plastic, doesn't let heat transfer back and forth onto the motor, from the motor to the intake ports or to the runners. Okay? So we're going to change out each one of these runners. Nice, they put parts and pieces inside of it. So,
it's like a surprise.
yeah, so as we change these out, we'll show you guys exactly what we're doing here for each one of these. So these are going to be more of the race setup, which we're doing, than the street.
Yeah, and actually, you guys, this type of manifold from Fast can rival the 4-barrel aluminum intake manifold. So if you're looking for a high-performance application, you can just buy this manifold. But if you're really looking at that extra edge, we would recommend the short runners. And these are called the race intake runner set. So you can get these by themselves, or you can buy them together and have the awesome ultimate setup here. So major thanks to Fast. Brett's going to go ahead and continue to tear it down, and we'll show you guys how it goes. Midget cam.
Yeah. Midget cam testing. 1, 2, 3. Midget cam. I'm going to explain a little something to you. All right, this is the difference between the Fast intake right from Fast, and then we did some changes for our application. As you can see, these are the stock runners with the Fast LSXR manifold. Lot longer than our new upgraded version of it. For the motor we're building, it's going to be 427 inches, high compression motor for street, but the racing use also. So for the RPM range, you can see the differences here. So not everybody needs to do this upgrade. It's just for the build that we're designing with K-Tech along with Fast and everybody. We believe this is the best setup. The longer runner will give us more low-end torque. We've already increased the size of the motor to 427 inches, so we don't need that low-end torque. We want some more higher-end power. Higher in the RPM range is what I'm explaining. As you can see the difference. The longer the runner is more torque. The shorter the runner, the more higher the RPM range. So you can see there's quite a bit of difference. Fast has made it very easy for us. It's some simple hardware, and we just pop this up, wiggle it, and they come right out. Then we can reinstall the new ones. It's all O-ringed and it's all modular. So as you can see right here, bam, we have new runner lengths. Now this is for fine tuning on a dyno that we can change these. I don't recommend that everybody do this. You know, whoever's building your motor, please talk to them beforehand, but Fast has given us this option, so we're going to use it.
And go fast.
And go fast, yes.
So yeah, total race application in most senses. Even if you go on the website and you read about them, it does say that you know, this is for high performance output. And so, like Brett said, just because it looks way cool and is definitely shorter and probably one of the faster setups, do your homework before you dive in. So.
Yeah. If anybody wants to reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook and discuss a project, I have no problem with it. But we're going with this setup on this motor.
I'll be like your assistant.
There you go.
Like your Vanna White.
Vanna White. Can I have a vowel?
Stand like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ta-da! Brett's got all the new runners in there. Very easy to do. I mean, it was like super simple. Just what is it? One screw per.
Yep.
Yeah, per runner. And yeah, it was. I could have done it.
As we see, folks, we change out the runners to our shorter runner. Now we'll put this unit back together. Here we go.
Ta-da.
That's it. So now we have an intake manifold that is all tuned to our application, and we're off.
I like that. That was like really easy. So I don't know. Hands down, Fast for making an awesome product that you can make into a modular unit. Super easy to change. I mean, I feel like I don't know that you would change that at the track, but if you had to, it would take
you
like.
You could definitely change
minutes.
this for different applications, especially on a road course where Michele races. You could change this to tailor it to longer tracks or shorter tracks.
Yeah. So it's always
Beautiful
nice.
job.
Yeah, always nice to have kind of like a quick change product. So really looking forward to how this thing performs, and you guys know you'll see how it goes. Okay, so we've got it all back assembled together. We're going to toss it back in the box. That way, when we need it, it's still brand new.
Okay.
And then, so you guys know, for episode 5, you definitely want to tune in because what will we be doing?
We'll be getting the block prep in the CNC machine and start doing all the machining to the block.
So I've never seen anything like that. It's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna learn a ton. I've never seen any kind of machining get done. So looking forward to that. If you guys have any questions right now, shoot them in the comments, and that way we can go over it in person with Brett, and he can actually maybe even show you guys some stuff. So let's plan on that, and thanks guys for watching.
See you in episode 5.
Also, you guys, if you're looking to get some fast products for your car, be sure to check out their website. And also, you know you want to follow me and Brett on Instagram, so be sure to do that too. Thanks so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel. To subscribe, just click on this link over here on Brett, on top of his face. And then for the previous episode of Project GrrMaro, go ahead and give it a click over here. Thank you guys so much. See you on the next one.